Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal June and you're watching today's legal news where we update you with the latest legal developments across the country and world. Starting with the headlines. Delhi High Court grants bail to co-accused in PMLA case involving AAP leader Satyendar Jain. Kolkata police launches probe into hacking of live streaming of Calcutta High Court hearing. Child spiritual preacher Abhinav Arora's mother moves court against anti-Hindu YouTubers. Karnataka becomes first state to implement Quota within Quota among scheduled caste after top court ruling. Mexico Supreme Court Justice challenges controversial judicial reform. Now the news in detail. The Delhi High Court has granted bail to two accused Vaibhav Jain and Ankush Jain in the alleged money laundering case involving AAP senior leader Satyendar Jain. Justice Manoj Kumar Ohri granted them regular bail nearly 10 days after the former Delhi minister was granted relief. A court had granted bail to Satyendar Jain, who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in May 2020, citing delay in trial and his long incarceration. The Kolkata police have started an investigation into the alleged hacking of live streaming of one of the courtrooms of Calcutta High Court's vacation bench on YouTube. The cybercrime section of the Calcutta police started the probe after the IT department of the Calcutta High Court lodged a complaint late on Monday evening in this connection. On Monday, during the hearing of Justice Subhashish Samanta at courtroom number 7, an obscene video was allegedly live streamed for nearly 1 minute before it could be stopped, the officer said. The IT department of the Calcutta High Court initiated a probe into the matter before approaching the Kolkata police. The mother of a 10-year-old preacher named Abhinav Arora, popularly known as Bal Sant Baba, has moved a Mathura court seeking registration of a criminal case against 7 anti-Hindu YouTubers for allegedly defaming the minor and promoting hate against his religious practices. In her complaint, the mother accused the YouTubers of uploading videos that were maliciously designed to mock Arora's religious beliefs and violate his privacy. She added that the minor was unable to freely practice his religion or live his daily life without the fear of being harassed or insulted physically or online. The conduct of the YouTubers forced the present complainant to the stage of absolute collapse and family suicide. The complainant also claimed that the 7 YouTubers were anti-Hindu elements who were gaining money by uploading content that was against the minor. It claimed that the contents of their videos were crafted to promote hate against Hinduism and pollute the minds of the followers. Along with being defamatory, the actions of those accused amounted to a calculated attempt to disrupt this religious harmony and incite hatred, the petition claimed. The Karnataka cabinet has approved the implementation of internal reservation among the scheduled caste SCs and decided to form a commission that will task with collecting empirical data and finalizing the quota structure. The decision comes months after a Supreme Court verdict supporting internal reservation for the SCs and STs. The commission, which will be headed by a retired High Court judge, has been given a 3-month deadline to submit its report, following which the state government will proceed with the further actions. A section of the SCs have been demanding internal reservation, alleging that only a few influential subcastes were taking away a majority of the benefits, while many communities were still marginalized. Mexico's Supreme Court has published a proposal to invalidate core parts of a controversial judicial overhaul that has rattled the markets and shaken investor confidence in the Latin America's second-largest economy. The proposal by Supreme Court Justice Juan Luis Gonzalez aims to render the popular election of judges and magistrates unconstitutional, although it would support appointing Supreme Court justices by public vote. To be approved, the proposal requires the support of at least 8 of the court's 11 justices. The move brings Mexico closer to a constitutional crisis, with the judiciary and the ruling bloc increasingly at loggerheads over the constitutional reform. The proposal also challenges the concept of faceless judges introduced by the reform, which would allow judges to rule anonymously on dangerous cases such as those involving organized crime. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. Subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices for the latest legal updates.